Most advertisers are burning budgets trying to reach crypto audiences without any structure. And here is why. You're targeting people based on what they say they like and not what they actually do. And this is why we created Web3 targeting. Web3 audience targeting is a proprietary feature developed by Blockchain-Ads that allows you to place ads in front of your ideal audience based on their actual wallet activity. Now imagine being able to reach users who hold at least 2 BTC in their wallet, or people who swapped on Uniswap in the last 30 days. That is the power that Blockchain-Ads Web3 audience targeting gives to you, the advertiser. Now let's show you how this works in the real world. Step 1. Make sure you have a funded account and then create a new campaign in the Blockchain-Ads dashboard. Select your ad format and set up your basic campaign details. Click Save and continue. Now step 2 is where the magic happens. Under Audience and Targeting, select segments and choose from 69 preview audiences that aligns with the type of users you want to acquire. And if you want to take it a step further, you can create custom segments based on any on-chain activity that you want, including tracking your exact competitor traffic. Once done, upload your campaign creatives and hit publish. And that's it. Your ads will start appearing in front of the most relevant audiences ready to take action on your offer. So start using Web3 audience targeting on Blockchain-Ads today to experience the full power of crypto advertising.